I want to show you a way that you can use an alphabet arc and a sound box to help your child become a better speller. This is going to help them count the sounds that they hear in a word, and then they can use the alphabet arc to help them spell the word correctly. The extra supplies you need are some form of manipulatives, an expo marker, and if you want to use flashcards, you can. Here we have the word surf. When you're working with the sound boxes, you only need to count the number of sounds you hear, not letters. That's a common mistake children make. So here you see surf has 3 sounds because the UR forms one sound. Now it's time to write the letters with the corresponding sounds. If your child is not ready for this, just practicing sounds is fine. You give this one a shot. The word road. How many sounds are in road? If you said 3, you are correct because the OA forms one sound. So they are in a box together. Next, we work on spelling. Remember, one sound per box. This is a great activity to help your child map out words and help them become a better speller. If you would like this freebie, comment below with a rainbow.